The newly constructed mini roundabout at the SNS Plaza Junction, Bois d'Ouage, has raised the ire of local drivers. Videos began surfacing on social media over the Easter weekend of drivers not utilizing the painted mini roundabout, causing a stir of confusion.
Right, not left. Going around the roundabout. Lock to go around it. Let me see what will happen now. Let's go. You see that? You see that? What did I tell you? So now let's go. Press the gas. Look again. Look at that vehicle passing. You see that? So you can't use the roundabout how they want you to use it.
Last week, the Department of Infrastructure announced the commencement of a 3-week project geared at alleviating traffic in bottleneck areas along the Sir Julian R. Hunte Highway, namely the Computer World and SNS Plaza junctions, Orange Grove Plaza, as well as the Trouillard Junction in Bois d'Ouage. According to Deputy Chief Engineer within the Department of Infrastructure, Len Leon, it is the department's objective this year to implement workable solutions to the problem at hand. As a result, numerous ideas were proposed, from full-fledged roundabouts, wider lanes, holding lanes, and one-way traffic.
Due to various constraints, it was reduced to the one that we have chosen to look at that as a pilot option, to see if perhaps this could work in such a constrained area. It was also identified that the first one that we should look at is the SNS junction, which to some degree, particularly when it comes to northbound traffic, appeared to be a hotspot for increasing the backlog of traffic, which extended all the way to Computer World and beyond.
Leon therefore states the decided measure would be the implementation of a mini roundabout which does not function as a full-fledged roundabout. He pointed out the difference with the two and also addressed the actual issue he notices taking place at the SNS junction.
A full-fledged roundabout would generally acquire a much larger space and has the options of being able to actually do an entire 360 degrees and turn back in the same direction. This isn't an issue that's taking place at SNS. No one is trying to turn back. But what is the issue that going on at SNS is the ingressing and egressing into and out of that plaza. And if somehow we can do a bit of management of the traffic to ease off on the waiting time, we hope that this could possibly help.
The Deputy Chief highlighted the Ministry's plans to launch a public awareness campaign, including educational videos to educate motorists and address confusion.
The videos that are there are international videos, videos that have also been put out by some of the driving schools. They have noted posts from them. But we're going to work on one exclusively using the SNS mini roundabout as our starting point to do some education for all motoring public.
He also stressed the importance of drivers being familiar with road signs and regulations for passing driving exams, ensuring no excuses for misunderstanding the use of mini roundabouts.
We as drivers have passed our driving test. We know the regulations. We know to obey the signs. We've got to learn to start to obey the rules and regulations that govern driving. And so a mini roundabout is just one of those things.
The project was given an estimated 3-week timeline for completion. However, Leo praised the contractor's project management skills and efficiency for the swift completion of their pilot initiative to amend the traffic congestion in the north of the island. For Choice News Now, I am Chelsea Ausinay.